It seems like these days making animations has become really easy, and you can make an animation with just a few clicks, or even without any clicks at all. However, in my opinion, you still need to follow the steps in order and be patient, just like before. The only difference is that now we can reach our goal much faster. In this video, I'll break down 3 animation software options for you, and explain which one you should choose based on your character and the type of animation you want to create. Of course, all other animation software falls into one of these 3 categories. I hope that my suggestions as an experienced animator can help you make a better choice. The software I'm going to introduce you to is a free and useful set of tools for creating cool animations. But before you start using them, I suggest starting with Photoshop or even Paint. Don't be surprised. Try to get certain things sorted out with these programs before using the animation software. First, drawing. See if you have the patience for it or not. Second, animation rules. They're really simple, just try them out once. Third, idea and script. Even if your video is only going to be 10 seconds long. Fourth, storyboard. You can do this in just a few minutes with a few simple lines. And fifth, animation style. You need to choose the best option to visualize your idea and be compatible with your own characteristics. Based on that, you can choose the software that's easiest for you to work with. Maybe you've turned off your computer altogether, or you've turned it on and went straight to artificial intelligence. Anyway, if you're looking to get started, free software options like Blender can be excellent. In my opinion, if you're going to invest time learning animation, it's better to spend a little more time getting to know Blender's vast array of features and capabilities. Blender is a great option for both 2D and 3D animation, as well as motion graphics. With Blender, you can switch seamlessly between 2D and 3D animation and even create some really cool and unusual scenes by combining the two. At first, it might be a little tricky to get the hang of, and it may take longer to learn than some other software, but the results can be truly impressive. Blender offers a range of features that you can use to your advantage, including grease pencil, onion skin, sculpt mode, animation nodes, and more. You can even rig characters and add some speed to your cartoons if you want. In short, Blender is a comprehensive collection of expensive 2D and 3D animation software that has been assembled for free and is available to you. It's a great alternative to paid software options like Adobe Animate, Toon Boom, TV Paint, Maya, ZBrush, and others. Now, if you don't have the patience to learn Blender and think you shouldn't complicate things too much, let me introduce you to the next option. Krita can be a suitable software to replace many paid softwares like Adobe Animate. The Krita environment is very similar to Photoshop, and working with layers and design tools is extremely simple. You can even import photos or ready-made vectors and use them to create animations. Krita also has full support for PSD files, including layer styles, masks, and blending modes. You can use many features like customizable brushes, layer management, wraparound mode, HDR painting, vector tools, and others. Pencil 2D software is almost similar to Krita, but in my opinion, it ranks second in this group. It has also user-friendly interface, onion skinning, and other features. Pencil 2D supports multiple layers and both vector and bitmap graphics. It can be a great option for beginners or those on a budget. Just like Krita, if you're feeling a bit lazier or you want to create animated TV series that require character rigging, my recommendation is OpenToonz. This software can fulfill all your basic design needs and also give you tools to speed up production significantly. If you can connect with its interface, you can create your first animation in the blink of an eye, and the result of your work will be satisfying. It has a powerful rigging tools and easy-to-use interface. OpenToonz supports cutout animation, which is a technique where you create characters and props from separate pieces and then animate them by moving those pieces around. It also is free and open source, so it's much better than other software like that such as Moho Pro. There are other free software options such as Synfig Studio that do similar things, but in my opinion, OpenToonz is the most user-friendly. In summary, if you love modern and mixed animations and want to become a pro in the field, then Blender is the way to go. If you are a professional designer and prioritize frame-by-frame animation, you can choose Krita and its counterparts. If you are short on patience or want to produce high-episode series animations, OpenToonz and other similar software can be suitable for you. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Until next time, stay creative.